Hello guys, welcome to today's session in Concept. Today we will be looking into advanced chart analysis. But before that, if you are new here, you can go in the description. There is a link below. With the help of that, you can download and install Concept web application. After successful registration, you will get some free tools in the application that you can use in your trading. Also, in the application, you will find a video library. So we have made multiple videos for you based on Pro Plus tools as well as on the strategies. And these videos are available in multiple languages, so you can go and watch them at any point of time. If you guys are having any kinds of doubts or query, so you can directly go on the support section here. You will get our contact number, email ID, so you can contact us and we will be there to sort your queries out, right? So let's start our today's session, that is how you can do a advanced chart analysis. ठीक है, support, resistance, demand zone, ये सारे तो आपने पढ़ लिए होंगे, बट आज वी विल बी टेलिंग यू अ एडवांस चार्ट एनालिसिस, राइट? सो फॉर दैट देयर आर सम रूल्स दैट यू हैव टू फॉलो. नाउ द फर्स्ट रूल विल बी parabolic move. Okay, you can say just a second, parabolic move. Okay, so parabolic move इसको बोलते हैं, और you can say power move. ठीक है, power move. Now there will be many times in the market when you will analyze there is a power move in the market and your market is very close to the support and resistance, right? For example, this is your resistance level. Okay, now when you are analyzing this market and your market is moving at a very fast momentum, you can say like with very big candles, and now it is approximately very close to the resistance, right? So many of the times the trader will think that if we are getting this much of momentum, so the market will surely break this resistance out and the market will go further in the upward direction, राइट? बट अगर कहीं पे भी आपको इस तरीके का एक पावर मूव दिख रहा है, ठीक है, जिसको हम एक पैराबोलिक मूव भी बोलते हैं, राइट? सो एट दैट टाइम व्हाट जनरली हैपेंस, द ऑल ऑफ द मोमेंटम इन द मार्केट इट हैज बीन यूज्ड हियर ऑलरेडी. ठीक है, तो जनरली यहां से इफ यू विल एनालाइज कि कोई भी अगर हल्का सा भी एक ब्रेकआउट होता है, तो देयर आर टाइम्स व्हेन इट विल नॉट सस्टेन इन द मार्केट एंड योर मार्केट विल रिवर्स बैक. ठीक है, मार्केट क्या हो जाएगा, इट कैन रिवर्स बैक, राइट? सो नेवर गो फॉर द ब्रेकआउट व्हेन देयर इज अ पावर मूव इन द मार्केट. ठीक है, तो देख लेते हैं, लेट्स गो विद सम एग्जांपल्स. ठीक है, सो आई एम ओपनिंग Concept एप्लीकेशन, एनालाइज चार्ट्स, ऑर्डर एंड ट्रेड. सो राइट नाउ I have the chart of TCS here and the time frame we will be using, we can use the 5-minute time frame here. Okay, so let's see where we are getting a power move, right? So here you can see, right, I just got an example in the live market. So what I'll do, first of all I'll create a support and resistance or zones. ठीक है, so for that I am choosing a zone here. So what I'll do, I will make this zone कि जहां से my market is taking rejection. ठीक है, so you can see clearly from this zone my market was taking a rejection. ठीक है, यहां से मेरे मार्केट ने क्या किया, रिजेक्शन लिया. So let me place it here, just a second, let me make it. Okay, so this was my zone from where my market was taking rejection. You can see, let me clear all other indicators from here. Okay, now you can see my market came here, again it took a rejection at these 2 point. Okay, then again it came here और यहां से फिर एक upward movement start हुआ. ठीक है, now what I'm trying to convey कि for example you can see there was a very good power move. You can see multiple red candles and these are very big. ठीक है, अच्छे खासे momentum में है. You can see good red candle, this one also, this one also, this one also, right? Now at times when it successfully broke this zone, ये मेरा जो जोन है इसको इसने ब्रेक कर दिया जहां पे my market was taking support from a very long time, right? So many of the traders, उन्होंने क्या किया होगा, जैसे यहाँ पे ब्रेक लिया होगा, इसको अपना एंट्री पॉइंट बना दिया होगा, right? And they got their stop loss hunt at that time, right? तो यहाँ पे how to trade with this strategy, if there is a power move, in the market and your market is at very strong support पे है, right? और अगर bullish move है तो very strong resistance पे है, तो at that time what you will do, you will not take the trade for the breakout but you will expect a reversal at that time. For the reversal you have to analyze a confirmation. Now for the confirmation you can go with this candle as well. ठीक है, because this candle is like this, right? So it can be my hammer candle, because the price was getting rejection from here, here, and then you can see the price opened here. Sorry, just a second. You can see the candle was like this, a hammer candle. Okay, the price opened here. Okay, it went down, but again it got a rejection from these points and it successfully closed here, right? So this is the type of candle I'm getting here. You can see this is a hammer candle. So this is my confirmation that my trade can reverse in the opposite direction. So the higher point, I can make it my entry, and then I'll take the position in the upside trade. Okay, so this is one of the thing that you have to analyze. Okay, don't go with the power move. Whenever you will analyze, there are some candles with good momentum in the market, so you will expect a reversal, not the breakout at that point. ठीक है, अगर हम यहाँ पे एक ब्रेकडाउन या फिर ब्रेकडाउन एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं सपोर्ट का, तो देन इट शुड बी लाइक दिस कि देयर शुड बी अ कैंडल ऑफ रेड, और जब ये इसके नीचे सक्सेसफुली क्लोज हो रही है, देन आई कैन ट्रेड विद द एंट्री जो मेरी कहां पे होगी, लो ऑफ दिस रेड कैंडल. Okay, but you can see none of my candle break the low of that red candle, so that is why I have to trade for the reversal, right? So whenever there is a power move and your market is at very good resistance or support, so you will always go with the reversal with a confirmation of candlestick pattern. It can be a bullish engulfing, it can be a bullish Marubozu, it can be a you can say a hammer candle as well, right? Similarly in the upward direction also, ठीक है, कि if my market is making a very good move, for example you can see here my market is obviously in a very good momentum in the upward direction. Now if there is a very good resistance at this point, I can see, ठीक है, just a second, let me make the zone here. So you can see at this point of time my market has a very strong zone, right? It is at a very strong zone, and I will not take a trade in the upper direction, but I can expect a reversal with this candle, which is giving me a signal that my market can come down, right? So this is how you can trade with a power move. ठीक है, तो you will always expect a reversal from the power move, right? So that was our first point. Now the second point we will be looking into, that will be, just a second. Okay, so the second rule that we will be looking into, that is always go for you can say higher low when your market is at resistance. Okay, and always go for lower high when your market is at support, right? Now let's see how we can do so in the chart. So for that I'm again opening my Quantsep application here, right? Now you can see when my market was going at the very strong resistance, it was not making the higher low and higher low again and again, right? So let's see how we from where we are getting that, and we can analyze that situation here, I guess, right? So let me zoom out the chart a little bit for you so you can see it very easily. Okay, now you can see when my market was at this resistance, right? When my market was at this resistance level, or sorry, at this support level, right? So this is my very strong support, because my market was taking rejection here, right? Now at that time when my market broke it down, so you can see a very good momentum in the downward direction, right? But when I am moving in the upward direction, for example, just a second. Okay, so we can see in this situation, if I'll make a zone here, so this was the zone here, my market was taking rejection from this point, so I can make it as my resistance zone, right? Now you can see when my market was going to this resistance, at that time it was continuously making a higher low, then again a higher low, then again higher low. Okay, then this point of time a higher low again, and when it was continuously making a higher low, then it got a breakout at this point, and then you can see a good movement in the upward direction. ठीक है, तो when my market is going in the upward direction and continuously making higher low, at that time if there will be a breakout of a good resistance, so you can analyze a good movement in the upward direction, right? Similarly vice versa, if your market is moving in the downward direction and continuously making lower lows, at that time if there will be a breakout of the support, you will get a good bearish movement in the market as well. Okay, so that was our second rule, right? So you have to follow that also. Then if you will go to our third rule, right? Third rule, that is you can see you can say गुड कैंडल अमंग वीक, ठीक है, गुड कैंडल अमंग weak candle, right? Now what will happen in this rule? So for example, there is a very good resistance, right? And you can analyze if at this resistance there are very weak candles are forming like this, okay, weak candles. Now after this, for some time there is a combination of some weak candles, and then suddenly you got a very good green candle, okay, which is breaking it out, which is breaking your resistance. So at that time you can mark the high of that candle as your entry point, and that will give you a very good move in the upward direction. Why? Because from a long time the market was undecided, okay, there was a tug of war between buyers and sellers, and after that if you are getting a very good body candle, you can say, in the as a green candle in the bullish direction, so you can trade for the bullish trade, okay. And similarly, if your market is at support and you are getting very weak candles near to your support, at that time if there will be a red candle with a good body, if it is breaking your support down, you can expect a bearish move in your market, right? Let's see that example in our application as well. तो एप्लीकेशन को मैं यहाँ पे ओपन कर रहा हूँ, एंड लेट मी सी वेयर माय मार्केट इज कंसोलिडेटिंग विद अ वीक कैंडल. सो लेट्स सी. Okay, so for that I have to make a support here, and then we have to analyze like where my market is making weak candles. Okay, I can analyze here in this section. You can see there was a support level, right? So let me make a support for you, just a second. Okay, so this was my support, right? My market was taking support at this level continuously, right? It was taking support. When this resistance was broken out, it gave me a good move, and after that my market was continuously taking support at this level, you can see, okay. And then there was a sideways movement for a long time, you can say a consolidation, and in this consolidation I can see there are very weak candles, okay. So the market was undecided like where it will go, okay. Now then after just I got a very good candle here, you can see a good body candle in the red side, so it means a bearish move, and then I got a good movement in the bearish direction, okay. So it was approximately of 20 minutes, you can say 20 minutes candle I got here, right? तो 20 minutes का मुझे अच्छा खासा मूव यहाँ पे मिला, और उसके बाद आप देखोगे कि बाद में भी you got a good मूवमेंट इन दी बेरिश डायरेक्शन एज वेल, ठीक है. तो बाद में मेरे को बेरिश डायरेक्शन में ही मेरा मार्केट जो है वो मूव किया है यहाँ पे. सो नाउ वी गॉट अ एग्जांपल ऑफ रेसिस्टेंस हियर, ओके. सो लेट मी ड्रॉ रेसिस्टेंस फॉर यू फर्स्ट, ओके. सो आई विल अगेन सिलेक्ट अ रेसिस्टेंस फ्रॉम हियर, एंड आई कैन सी माय मार्केट वाज टेकिंग support from this level, right? It was taking continuously support from this level, and after that you can see there are some candles which are very weak, okay. So there are very weak candles in the market, and after this weak candle, when I got a very good green candle at this point of time, it means this market will now go in the upward direction. So I can mark this candle's high as my entry point and your support as a stop loss, ठीक है. थोड़ा सा आप यहाँ पे leverage ले लोगे. If your support is at 240, so you can mark 238 as your stop loss. थोड़ा सा margin यहाँ पे लेके चल लेना, right? So that was your third point, ठीक है. इसको आप बोल सकते हो कि weak candles के बाद if you are getting a good candle, एक थोड़ी सी strong candle मिल रही है, so your market will move in that direction, ठीक है. Now the last point that you have to analyze when you are going to for the advanced chart analysis, okay. So the fourth point will be pin bar candles, okay. Pin bar candles, okay. Now how this pin bar candle will help you to find the trade? So whenever you are at a very good resistance, or you can say support, right? So there will be many times when there will be a fake breakout. Why? Because there will be some candles like this, for example hammer candle, it will be created at that time, right? So you should not trade at that candle, because if there is a pin bar candle like this, okay, pin bar candle like this, so you should wait for that candle, that will give you a reversal in the market as well, right? देख लेते हैं इसका भी example एक बार, okay. So again I am opening Quantsap application here. Okay, so here is the example of that rule. For example, my market was going in the upward direction. You can see there was a very good candle that was hammer, राइट। सो हैमर कैंडलस्टिक पैटर्न वाज देयर, काफी लोगों ने इसके हाई पे यहां पे एंट्री ले ली होगी, बट देन आई कैन सी देयर वाज अ पिन बार कैंडल दैट वाज क्रिएटेड एट योर वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग रेसिस्टेंस। सो एट दैट टाइम यू शुड बी रेडी कि अब मेरा मार्केट यहां से फॉल हो जाएगा, बिकॉज दिस इज द टाइम व्हेन यू विल गेट द ट्रैप। ठीक है, ट्रैप यहां पे जो मिलते हैं दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ दीज काइंड्स ऑफ कैंडल, ठीक है, जो आपको रेसिस्टेंस पे मिल रही है। तो यू शुड बी ट्रेडिंग विद हैमर व्हेन इट इज एट द सपोर्ट, ठीक है। बट अगर आपको रेसिस्टेंस पे देखने को मिल रही है, सो यू शुड वेट इफ आफ्टर 2 or 3 कैंडल्स इफ यू आर गेटिंग अ पिन बार कैंडल, सो यू शुड एग्जिट फ्रॉम योर ट्रेड और आप वहां पे अपने लिए एक बेरिश ट्रेड बना सकते हो, ठीक है। एंड सिमिलर वाइस वर्सा, अगर आप सपोर्ट पे भी ट्रेड कर रहे हो, सो द सेम सिनेरियो विल बी इन द रिवर्स डायरेक्शन, इट विल बी इन द बुलिश डायरेक्शन। सो आई होप द 4 रूल्स आर क्लियर टू यू। आपको मजा आएगा। अगर आपको कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आया तो आप वीडियो को लाइक कर सकते हो। यू कैन शेयर योर व्यूज इन द कमेंट सेक्शन एज वेल। थैंक यू सो मच गाइज, दिस इज योर ट्रेनर अंकित सिंह रावत। हैव अ गुड डे।